Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's a new year. I hope you all had a great new year. We're back and we're back on the Bravo build. What are we doing with it? What are we doing with it, Dan? What are we going to do today?
We are going to redo the brake lines in the front.
Before the engine goes in?
Before the engine goes back in. They were bad.
Yeah.
They were very crusty. Do a zoom. This one was the driver's side. Whoops. And it's just falling apart. So we're going to replace them with nice new ones. Just got a delivery.
Yeah, we've got a delivery.
Yep. Yes.
Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. Hit the like button now. And if you want to make a nasty comment, you're welcome to do that too. About John Paul, not us. Yeah. We're nice.
John Paul. So
we don't know.
We don't know.
We think he was left in a coupe that we scrapped and got crushed.
So he's a cube.
Yeah. JP the cube.
J cube, yeah.
J
or
cube.
as James said earlier, Jube.
So yeah, that's where we think JP is.
So the idea is we're going to get the brake pipes in relatively quickly, and then we're going to try and put the engine in by the end of today.
Yes.
Yeah,
if we can get it in, then we're another step closer.
One step closer.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Right, so I have now fitted all the relays, the brackets all back in, the ABS pump and the bracket is all back in. I had to remove all that to do all the welding under here. So that's all back in. Dan is making up the copper brake lines to go from the ABS pump to the calipers. And then I'm just going to quickly tidy up this wiring, like cable tie it all back, get it out the way, mark up what's what, tidy it up, get the subframe off, hopefully, engine in, but I don't know whether to just remove all this as well, just so I've got more room and fit that in at a later date. Yeah, so I might get rid of that next. Just want to tidy it up, make it neat, so we can put the engine in, start labelling up everything. And I want to tidy all that up as well. I did a thing. I have now fitted. So this was a fly, because this is a later model HGT. Originally I wanted the early one. Because this is a later one, it had fly-by-wire. So I've just fitted the throttle cable in. So luckily there was already a hole there in the bulkhead. It had a grommet. So I pulled the grommet out and I've literally shaved a bit to get the grommet to fit nicely. That goes in. I've gone underneath inside the car and the cable actually fits where it should, so it's like it's made to fit, which is really good. It's one less aggro of a job. All I've got to do is pop the little linkage onto the throttle pedal, and there's already a reset, what do you call it? I don't know, bloody hell. Anyway, it's a thing to pop it onto the pedal, which is really good as well, because I took the pedal out of the coupe to fit in this, but we don't need to do that. So far, it's like jigsaw puzzle. It's all going into place. One thing that's worrying me though is the latest style has a weird wiring loom, so I'll cross that bridge when it comes to it.
Talk you through the process, right? Okay. The process. First of all, you've got to make sure that at the end of the brake pipe you can fit your press into. So this one at the moment is a bit big. To make this fit properly, we're gonna flare the end of it. Actually, we're gonna press the end of it. I don't know if it's flaring it, but anyway, we're gonna press it. So basically, we put it into one of these vices, and it will take shape of the top of the die and the tool itself. We do that, lift it off, give it a little twist, and then basically this is now too big. No.
Close up.
No.
Show me.
No.
Show it to me.
No.
Please.
No.
Did you mess it up?
No.
Then why won't you show it to me?
I don't want to show it to you.
Show it to me.
No. Right, yeah, okay. So we flared it. So we flared it for the first time. Never seen this before. All right, so we're going to take it off and have a look how well it's come out. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Right, yeah, so look, we're looking at like a flared finish.
Very good, very nice.
So, as you can see, it sits nicely on the what was this called? A nipple?
Bell end.
Bell end. It fits nicely on the bell end. When this is done up, it's going to push into the shape of the master cylinder on the brake pedal on the servo. So that's basically the finish we want to get on all of them.
Power steering bottle is different, so I'm going to get rid of that, and then I'll probably make up a bracket and have it down here somewhere. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but I'll get rid of it for now. Oops. But we'll keep it just in case it has to go back on.
Oh, dandy!
I've done another thing.
What?
I swapped the engine bracket
You
for
broke
a nice
it?
shiny one. Oh no, what is this? Oh, it's all broken down there. Oh, it's the washer pipe. Everything on this car's rubbish. The dilemma is the slave cylinder is different on this. Yeah, so that slave cylinder is not going to fit. We're going to have to create a new pipe. Yeah. Bollocks, I should have taken it off the coupe. I'll have to take one off another coupe. We'll make one up. We've got loads of coupes, yeah. I'm thinking of taking this out and binning it off now. The tunnel, because we're going to fit a coupe one in. Okay, so what I am doing, I'm going to remove the tunnel because that could be binned off. We have a new, well not new, Fiat Coupe one to go in. So we'll be using the handbrake and the gear selector, gear shifter from the coupe. So that will go straight in because this is all rods on this. So let's get this out. Oh look, James. What's this?
That's standard Fiat ownership. Bit of lippy.
Bit of lippy, guys.
Saturday night. You gonna put some on?
I don't know where it's been.
Do it. Do it.
Lip butter hydrates and softens the lips.
Put it on and give Dan a kiss. Do it. Do it for the internet.
Oh no!
In a petri dish. Just cut the top of it. Then it'll be fresh and new.
Let's go and give him a kiss. Oh, he's on the phone.
Yeah. Do you want me to move back to the one that we've done before? It's the one with the 2 square flaps.
So let's carry on.
Still very much on your
I'm sorry, Lee. Ant has just kissed me with lipstick on.
So we will carry on now, getting the tunnel out of the car.
What's happened?
Ugh. James dared me to do that.
Yeah, I believe.
Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to go inside the car.
Well, you've got to undo that. Not there, I think.
Yeah, I've got to go inside the car now and get it off. There we go. It's gone. I might keep the handbrake, try and fit it to... Don't know how much to use coupe one. I don't think the engine's going in today. So the tunnel. Do you know the tunnel I've got upstairs? It's from a later model coupe with the newer gearbox on it, and this has got the old style. So I think I'm going to swap the gearbox on this engine.
Have you got a gearbox?
In that car. Yeah, I'm going to need the gearbox out of this one. Bollocks, I can't put that gearbox in. I don't have the tunnel for it. I've got the tunnel for this style, the newer style. My lips still taste of lipstick. It's disgusting.
So James, right now we're trying to figure out where the pipes go, because Ant said we can compare it to a coupe. And now he's saying it's different. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think he set me up for failure. Right, so it's different.
It's a different ABS unit, yeah.
But the pipes should be roughly the same.
On the coupe,
Yeah.
on that, it goes to the bigger ones, 2 bigger ones at the back.
Bigger ones?
Yeah, look,
They're all the same size, aren't they?
on here.
Oh.
Big one, big one, big one, big one, small, small. But on there, it's got 2 big ones. Which
Oh,
goes
no,
to-
hang on a second then. That helps because that's a big one and that's
Yeah.
a small one.
Yeah,
Which means that goes to the back of the car.
I think the back is the small ones.
So that means AD. What's rear in Italian? Or back?
What, do you think that's Italian?
Or yeah, what's back in Italian?
Hang on.
Or rear?
Posteriore.
Ah, posterior. You were nearly right, James.
Posteriore. So that's a rear one, that's a rear one.
Hang on a minute. I've just solved this, right? I have asked the question, what's Italian for rear? And it turns out it's posterior, which is bum.
Yeah, but aircon delete.
Now, I know there's not many LEs. Was that it?
Well, that'll be a fun summer car.
Right, so while Dan is doing some more brick lines on that, I thought I'd do a quick walk around and show you what we've got in for January. Look, guys, when was the last time you saw one of these? Oh yeah, the Abarth feature. Who remembers the Abarth 131 series we did?
I don't.
Do you?
Forgotten it.
Ah.
What's that?
Do you remember when I went to that barn and I lifted the cover up? This was one of them, so this is here now. Come, look at this. I love this car. Look at that. Look at them seats.
Poo brown cloth.
That's orange.
Is it?
Velour. That's velour, right? Is it suede? Yeah, you see? Look at that. Can't wait to get this running. So, again, this has been sat for 3 or 4 years. It doesn't run. It needs recommissioning, so we're going to get it running like we did with the Abarth. But look at that. Same engine, twin cam, yeah. But obviously, you know, sport. It's nice. It's a Fiat. So we got that, and then we're restoring a pile of beep. As you can see, it comes with bricks. Yeah. We have here a Lancia Delta Integrale. I wanted to film this today and just do an episode on this, but you told me to do Bravo. So did Dan. So, but we got this. What have I got to do on this? I've literally got to do a health check it all out, make sure it's all tickety-boo because it's going over to France next month. But
Sweet.
oh, you're in luck. I
Lancia
got the key. Oh, I posted it on the Integrale forum on Facebook, and it got bad comments for the livery. I like it, but the purists didn't like it. What do you think, guys? Do you like it with the livery all over it? Comment below. Right guys, that comes to the end of today's episode. A short and sweet one, just to give you an update of how we're getting on with the Bravo. These are all the long, silly, horrible long jobs.
Tedious jobs, yeah. It's the little things that make the bigger difference, like having new brake pipes is going to make it easier to
But
brake.
we have to do that before we put the engine in, because there's no way we want to replace all that with the engine in. It just does not make sense. So if we do all these little silly things first, and then the exciting bit will be when the engine goes in. That's how far we got with it today. Hopefully, I'm saying summertime. What do you think? Get this running.
What for?
Get this
Getting
finished.
it running?
Yeah. Yeah, next
Well,
weekend.
to be honest, it will run and move by itself once the engine's in, because it is essentially a coupe. So all we've got to do is put the ECU in, plug it in, put a battery on it, start it, and drive it. The little things like, you know, welding and stuff like that need to be done to it.
That's all.
That's going to take some time.
Yeah.
But we'll have it ready for track season. We'll be ready for spring.
Yeah.
Spring's what, 2 months away. So we've got a little while.
I need to ask, any of you subscribers, have any of you done this conversion before on a later style Bravo? Can you comment below? Because I'd like to know how you managed to sort out the ignition wiring loom. Did you use a coupe or did you keep this one? That's something I'm going to have to find out and deal with.
Yeah.
So if someone can let me know, that'd be good. Email us. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and we'll see you soon on the other episodes that we do.
How's it go? Yeah. No. I can't click my feet together because my hip will break because I'm old. I'm nearly 30. Oh my god. Thanks for that, mate.
You're going to die soon. Your microphone
No.
on. Put it
I don't wanna.
Put it on.
No. No.
You did.
What would you have done if I'd actually eaten that?
Call the doctor probably.
Why? Is it poisonous?
I mean, I don't think it's a good idea to swallow a microphone
Why not?
because
Are they putting it there? I'm not
Because you
there.
won't put it on.
I don't know how to put it on.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You put it on earlier.
No, you put it on me
Grow
earlier.
up. Grow up.
You put it on.
Grow
Put it up.
up.
Put it
Grow.
on. I've grown.
Dan, what are you doing right now?
Me, I am routing one of the brake lines. Has it done it? Oh, sweet. Right.
You're trapped now. You can't leave.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can, and I will. I'm stuck. Can you lift the ramp up? Lift the ramp up,
You
James.
said you could leave.
Yes, I will leave. James, do the ramp.
How do I do it?
You press the up button. You useless human being.
You want to be chilling?
Oh.